Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear iPhone cache. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. How to clear iPhone cache manually. Method 1. Clear Safari browser cache. Firstly, go to Settings on your iPhone by tapping on the Settings icon. Scroll down to find the Safari app settings. Tap on it. It will show you all the settings related to Safari browser. Scroll to find the Clear History and Website Data option. Tap on it. Then it asks for confirmation. Tap on the Clear History and Data option to clear. Method 2. How to clear Google Chrome browser cache. Launch the Google Chrome browser on your iPhone. Tap on the three dots available at the bottom right. A menu will pop up. Swipe the top menu to find the Settings option. Tap on it. Then it takes you to the Settings page. Scroll a bit downward, and there you will find the Privacy option. Tap on it. Then you will find the options as showing in the tutorial. Choose the Clear Browsing Data option by tapping on it. Then it takes you to the page, from where you can choose the data to delete. Choose the data by tapping. Later, tap on the Clear Browsing Data option. It asks for the confirmation. Tap on the option to start the clearing process. Method 3. How to clear Opera browser cache. Launch the Opera browser on your iPhone. Tap on the three lines available at the bottom right corner. Then a menu will open. Choose the Settings option from that list. A settings page will open. There you will find the Clear Browsing Data option. Tap on it. And it shows you the categories available to clear. Choose the categories just by tapping on them. Later, tap on Clear. That's it, cache will be cleared. How to clear iPhone cache using iMyFone Umate Pro. iMyFone Umate Pro is the best application designed for Windows and Mac computers, that assists iPhone users to delete files permanently. In fact, the files that are being deleted through this software can never be recovered. Therefore, any person can think of using iMyFone Umate Pro with a hassle-free mind. It is compatible with the latest iPhone and iOS as well. Highlights of iMyFone Umate Pro. Easy to use. Safe and secure. Erases data, cache with 0% recovery. Scans deeply to find the cache. Available for Windows and macOS. Pricing. iMyFone Umate Pro is available for Windows and Mac platforms. It provides its services in two types of licenses, such as individual and business. These are the prices of plans available in the individual license. And these are the prices of business license. Firstly, visit the official site of iMyFone and download the latest version of iMyFone Umate Pro onto your computer. This is available for both Windows and macOS. Completion of installation. Then you will find an interface with cleaning options as showing in the tutorial. Connect your iPhone to the computer by using the USB or Lightning cable. Then it takes you to the one-click clean-up mode. Click on the Quick Scan option. Then it starts to scan for the cache and junk files. After the completion of the scan, it shows results as showing in the tutorial. Beside each category, you will find the Clean option. Click on Clean. Then it shows the files related to the selected category. Later, click on the Clean option to start the cleaning process. After the completion of cleaning process, you will get a notification as showing in the tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.